Hi everyone, welcome back to me garage. Today I'm gonna hopefully get this steering column done and dusted and get my horn working, which was the whole reason why I started messing about with it in the first place. Right, so let's crack on with that. Right, now in my last video where I was doing this collapsible steering column, you saw me use the hot glue gun to put all this. Right, well, just remember to put this piece on first. Remember to put your new bush on, because it won't go over the top of that, as I just discovered. So I just had to pull it all apart again and redo it all. So that's something to remember. Right, so now I've got my two pieces. Got my outer and my inner shaft. Notice there's like a little divot on the inside of there. And a mark in there, draw hole. So that's got to go in there like that. Right, I'm not sure how easy it's going to go in, because this seems quite tight, but I'm going to try and use the old outer steering column to knock it in, but let's see what happens. Hopefully this will just tap in there fairly nicely. Or not. Alright, so that's in there. It did take a bit of the... So we just trim that back a little bit. Just where it's cut it a little bit, where it's gone in there. Yeah, so that's all good. That's that bottom part done now. The top one, which is the one that was in it. Right, so we need to tap that one in as well. That didn't work very well, did it? There we go, that's that one in there. It all spins in there nicely now, no play in it. I'll just put a tiny little bit of grease at the top and the bottom. That should sort that out. I just need to put that clip back on at the top. Right, so this is a little clip that cancels the indicators. I marked it on here where it has to, where it's situated. Hopefully it goes in the right place. And no, it didn't. It's got to move around slightly. That's annoying. Oh God. We should be able to just tap it round a little bit. That's where it was. Just got to go up a touch. Alright, that's it. And my mark was sorted. Right, so that's the column all back together again now. Alright, cool. So next thing, slide these on here somehow, gently. Just cleaned them up a little bit. I'll only hang them over there loose for a minute until it's up under the dash, because I don't know the exact position of them. Right, so that's it. So now I'll go over the car, fit the new bracket to replace the old bracket, which is different. And then we'll get this in. Right, so it's a little bit awkward to try and film fitting it. So you can see columns connected up now. I haven't done the pinch bolt up yet. And it's all connected up in here. New bracket up in there. Bolted up in there. These are all still loose at the moment as well. I've just got to connect the indicators up there now, and then we get the steering wheel on, get that arm working. Right, so there's like a little divot there, so it fits in there. We just screw this on. In a minute. Oh, my fingers are cold. Right, so we've got the wheel. We'll see this is the top. Got the ring. And that hole there needs to line up with that so we can put the pin through in a minute. Well, the wheels are pretty much straight. We might have to adjust this again at a later date, but right, so after a little bit of messing about, I worked out this because this was bent. Now when I pop this on, it doesn't jam up, honestly. There we go. So that's in contact with that now. Right, so I've popped all this back together now. Just connect this wire up. Just try to get it right that. Right down there. Woohoo!